Learn and speak English.
Cumin,
Cumin,
turmeric,
turmeric,
cinnamon,
cinnamon,
salt,
salt,
paprika,
paprika,
black pepper,
black pepper,
ginger,
ginger,
garlic,
garlic,
cloves,
cloves,
nutmeg,
nutmeg,
onion powder,
onion powder,
chili flakes,
chili flakes,
star anise,
star anise,
coriander,
coriander,
mustard seeds,
mustard seeds,
chili powder,
chili powder,
oregano,
oregano,
basil,
basil,
thyme,
thyme,
rosemary,
rosemary,
cardamom,
cardamom,
saffron,
saffron,
bay leaf,
bay leaf,
fennel seeds,
fennel seeds,
allspice,
allspice,
celery seed,
celery seed,
caraway,
caraway,
marjoram.
marjoram. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more informative videos.